Over time, you might notice that water no longer beads up and wicks off your jacket like it used to. That's totally normal. Regular use, exposure to dirt, grime, sunscreen, and weather all wear down the durable water repellent coating on the outer shell of your jacket. Today, let's talk about how to reapply a DWR treatment to your jacket. DWR treatment should only be applied to a clean garment, so give yours a thorough wash if it needs one. And it probably does. Lay your clean down jacket on a flat surface or hang it up to achieve a uniform application. Grab your DWR treatment of choice, shake the bottle, and spray a thin, even coat on the outer fabric. Be careful not to oversaturate the shell, as over-applying DWR can soak into the downfill and damage it. Place your jacket in the dryer and run it on low heat for an hour. If your dryer has a wrinkle guard setting, use it. This will help cool your jacket down for the last 10 minutes or so in the cycle. Heat will both activate the DWR on the shell and dry the downfill inside your jacket, but be sure you're only using low heat, as anything higher, you're at risk of melting the nylon. After the outer shell has dried, flip your jacket inside out to finish the drying process. Run your dryer on low heat until you're confident the downfill is super dry, clump-free, and lofty. If you're drying one of our larger expedition garments, you might need to add an extra hour or two to the drying process. And that's it. Now your jacket is revived and ready for anything.